Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with another one for you. Check this out. It is our B12. This is a flagship model for us. It's Beatrice 1230, in fact, on this one. Not better? Anyway, it is the Beatrice 1230. What does that mean, James? It means you got 12 strings on a 30-inch scale, so it means we could tune it to Bajo Sexto. That's right. This is a bass 6 12. So you got to double up. So unlike your normal 12 string is going to be like all chimey, chingy, changy, this one's going to be go blooky. That's right. I said that. Fine example. It's a bass. So cool. It's a short scale bass. However, this one's got something special. Now, all the really good gory details are going to be over here in the description. Please check them out. Leave a comment, all that jazz that's over there. This one has a Sustaniac. What does that mean, Sustaniac? Well, there's a link in there to help describe Sustaniac even better. But here's what Sustaniac means. We've got a pickup here that acts much like an ebow, where you just vibrate it over the strings. However, it does it for you. It's already built into the guitar. So check this out. I'll turn it on, and hear that? What it's doing is it's actually vibrating the string for me. Now it's got 3 different modes. I haven't quite figured them all out yet, but I've been playing with them. One is a basic, just regular vibration. It's going to pick up. Gives a really good swell violin sound, or in this case, since we got Bajo Sexto, my cello. Check it out. I believe this one adds like a artificial harmonic to it. Yeah. And then this one adds a little extra feedback. Can you play this with distortion? You probably can. I'm not so sure I can. Let's check it out. Yeah. don't know. It's fun. It's music. It's you know, it's a stringed instrument that does like neat little sounds. It's supposed to have fun with it, right? Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.